Welcome to the Integrato Quick Bytes series, where we cover Business Central and Microsoft 365 how-tos, tips, and new features in less than 5 minutes. I'm Joe Roach, consultant here at Integrato, a Gold Direct Microsoft partner and cloud solutions provider. Today, we're talking about the bulk release or reopening of documents. Let's jump right into it, shall we? Let me show you what we're talking about. So this is something that has been on the radar for a long time here at Integrato. It's something we get a lot of calls about, something we've written customizations for customers in the past, and now it just works right out of the box. It's something we've been waiting for a long time, and we're really happy it's here. And without further ado, let me just tell you what we're talking about. So let's open, for instance, sales orders. We come into all of our sales orders in the sandbox, and we're going to release them. So the old way of doing it, no surprise, you can come in here, you can look at the screen, you can release right from here, right? This is the way it always worked. No surprise that it still works, but this is the way we always did it. The problem is where you can see that worked. If you were to try to, say, choose 3 of them and do the same release, it would only work for the first one. And I'm pretty pleased to show you today, it just out of the box releases all 3 right at once. You can come in here, you can actually reopen them if you decided whatever you need to, you made a mistake, whatever. You can still use all of your clicking techniques. You can choose the first one and hold shift and choose the last one. It'll select them all. You can hold your control key down and select several of them. Whatever you do, you come up here, you click release, and it releases. As long as it's eligible to be released. Like, for instance, let me just show you this. This last one doesn't have any items in it, right? So we go to release it, and nothing to release on this document. So if you try to do it, it won't work. Let's take all of these and say, let's reopen them. You can see the third one here isn't open, or is open already. When we go here, it gives you a little error message that says, hey, you got 4 selected, but we're going to skip one because it's already open. And it's smart enough to take care of that. And let's just say we have 4 that work and 1 that doesn't work. We go to release it. And what happens is we get this little error here. There's nothing to release, but you see it did release all 4 that were eligible to go. You get the little surprise error message screen. So it's not going to open, or it's not going to release orders that are not eligible to be released. You still have all those controls in place, et cetera, et cetera. So that is it in a nutshell. It's a small change, but it's one that can save you considerable time when you're trying to deal with, on your daily basis, trying to figure out where you're going to ship today. You can use whatever other search you have, whatever views you have set up. You can use them to figure out which orders are eligible to go and then release them in bulk. Big change. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to get more Business Central tips, how-tos, and updates on new features, hit the subscribe button. We are releasing videos weekly. For more information regarding Integrato or to get training or support, please visit integratotech.com and check out the links below.